Hey dude, this is Abhishek from Clean Dark Lifestyle. So I'm back with another video, and in this video we're gonna talk about the training tips for mesomorph and endomorph. So guys, let's quickly start with the mesomorph training tip. As I've told before, these guys are very flexible in nature. They have a genetically gifted body, and they could either focus on muscle building or they can shed their body fat percentage. Again, it depends upon their individual goals and all. So the only thing they should keep in mind is they shouldn't be training over. Means if they are training for 1 hour, then that is well and good. If they are exceeding that duration, means there will be just chances of muscle loss, and in that case you should be replacing with a supplement called branched chain amino acid, that is BCAAs. So about this supplement I will be reviewing in the upcoming videos. So for time being, you shouldn't be training over, and if you want to extend that duration, means then you should be consuming BCAAs. And the next one is, as I told before, that these guys are very flexible. They can either go on a bulking stage, or they can either have a lean diet to gain a lean muscles. So these guys are very flexible in nature, and the only training tip was they shouldn't be training over. So guys, this was all about the mesomorph training tips, and let's quickly start with an endomorph training tips. The endomorph guys are very fat guys. They have a problem in losing body fat percentage, and they gain body weight easily. And the plus point in endomorph guys is they can gain muscle at a faster rate. So this was all about the endomorph, and how do they train? This is the main question in them. So I have listed some important training tips for them. So let's get quickly started with that. The first point to focus is the main focus in endomorph guys is they should be losing body fat or losing body weight. Yes guys, this must be the top priority in endomorph. And the second one is they should be lifting heavy as much as they can, and the rest duration between the sets must be very minimum. For example, the rest duration will be like 10 to 15 seconds between the sets. And the third one is they should be working out for 5 to 6 days per week, and this again plays an important factor in their training sessions, so that they could burn more calories from their body. And the fourth point is about cardio. So in endomorph guys, the cardio should be maximum. They should be doing cardio at least for 30 minutes per day. It doesn't matter the cardio sessions to be done only after their workout, heavyweight training, or before their workout training. It doesn't matter, but the only matters is they should be doing cardio for 30 minutes per day. So the next point is having a calorie deficit meals. Yes guys, this again plays an important role to burn more fat from their body. I've talked about a maintenance calorie level. So if their maintenance calorie level is about 2000 calories, they should be consuming only till 1700 or 1500 calories, some calories below the line. So this again plays an important role to burning more fat from their body. And they should be having quality proteins, and they should be consuming complex carbohydrates only, and the carbohydrates to be taken only after their workouts. If you consume carbohydrates only after the workouts, what will happen is they will be used to refilling your muscle glycogen, and they will be not stored as a fat. And they should be consuming 5 to 6 meals a day. And again, this is an important factor in them, because if you consume a heavy meal, there is a problem in digestion and all. So for example, your meal is about 700 calories. You should be dividing into 350 and 350 and making as a twice meals. So you should be consuming 5 to 6 meals a day. So this was all about the training tips for endomorph. And in future we will be having food recipes for bodybuilding and all, and we'll be having free training sessions also. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure you like this video, you share this video, and subscribe to this channel. And so this is Abhishek signing off.